You can hyperlink, which means you're inserting a link, you're attaching a link basically to a word, words, or even an image that's going to take the viewer to another website or a different page within your website. So you can type out your words and then you would highlight again either word or words, and then you want to click on the little icon right here that says insert link. You can also use the shortcut Control K or Command K to get to the hyperlink. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm just going to type in google.com for this, and then I'm going to click on apply. So you see my text is here and my link that I'm adding is here, and click on the word apply. So then when I'm in preview mode, I'm going to also wait real quick. I'm going to do this image as well. Sometimes on my images, I like to actually link to the image where I got this from, so that if they want more information about that image and who took that picture, they can get it. Right now, I'm going to actually link to a page. So you can see right here, I could again type in google.com, or notice how these pages came up within my website. So I can find the page right here within my website, and that's the one I can link it to. So I'm going to choose this, and then I'm going to click apply. Now notice when you're in your edit mode, if I click on this hyperlink and then choose the website to actually link to it, oh, this time it actually took me straight to that. Sometimes it'll actually give you a link. Let me do a different website here to show you what I mean, because this does actually sometimes confuse people. So when I click on this, and again, a viewer would not have to click on this and then click the website. I'm going to show you the difference between those in just a second. So what will happen is this page comes up, and then I have to click on my site again. That will not happen for viewers. So I'm going to publish this website real quick just so we can see these two changes. So I'm going to click on publish. My draft comes up. I'm going to click publish again. And then I'm going to view my website as a viewer. So I come up here to the publish word, click on this little arrow next to it, and say view published site. So now let me scroll down to this section. So now you'll notice when I click on the word hyperlink, it automatically takes me right to the Molaski.org. And notice I just had to click on the word. I didn't have to click and then choose the website. So just know that's the difference when you're viewing it in edit mode, because you own the website and you're editing it, versus as a viewer. And then this one here, notice that one when I clicked on, let me just show that again. When I clicked on Molaski.org, notice it opened up a new tab. When you're clicking and choosing a website within your website, it's going to actually keep us in this same tab. So now that brought me right back to my home page. So try that out with hyperlinking to words or images.